Okay, hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to discuss some trades of mine, where I have done five trades, you know, five trades, and all they are win. Um, let's get into the point. Here, here, I have done put option because you can see this mouse arrow is bleeping, so no worries. I have done put option here because you know what, here is breakout strategy number one. Here is breakout of this level, so first I have done put option here and I lost this trade, and again I have done put option here and I won this. Here we can do, if we lost first trade here, then we should go on martingale after breakout. Let's talk on another trade. Here again I have done put option, and here I have done put option because this candle is a continuation pattern, and where this continuous pattern is followed by this volume, it's a huge volume with huge volume gives us confirmation about this continuation pattern, and I went with this put option. Now next trade, again I have done put option here because here we can see this kind of resistance level, and it's a it's it's a what can I say, let's talk normally. This is the what small candle. It's a small candle, small bullish candle, but it volume is big than the previous one, so it's a anomaly, anomaly. So I take reversal trade and I won it. And on this is again the same thing. This is again the same thing. This is again the same thing, anomaly trade, where we can see this small candle have equal or even larger volume than the previous one, where the previous candle have small volume, and after that the small candle have big volume. This is an anomaly, and where we can have this line is a support level, and I went for a call option. So that, and this is the trade where I have done call option because all this pattern all this candle have these two candle have equal volume. The breakout, this is a breakout of this level. This candle have breakout of this level, this horizontal level where breakout is strong. This volume can show us a strong breakout. So I again instead of doing put trade, I have done a call option because this is a strong breakout. That's why. So for now, this much for today. Hope you have understand my what I call theories and my things. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you.